Hi everyone, this is NB. In this video, we are going to learn about operators in Python. Without getting late, let's get started. In Python, operators are divided into 7 categories. We will see about arithmetic operators first. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Basically, modulus means when two numbers are divided, which returns the remainder of the result. Suppose consider 2 modulus 5, which gives 2 as a result, which is a remainder, and this double asterisk represents exponentiation. Consider 2 double asterisk 5, which gives us 2 power 5. The result will be 32. Here double forward slash means integer division or floor division. Whenever you divide a number with this floor division, you will get the quotient value of the result. Say 6 by 3, which results 2. 2 is the quotient of the result. The next operators are comparison operators. Basically, these operators are used to compare two values. The first one is equals to, this is not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. The next operators are logical operators. They are and, or, not. If you know the concept of digital logic, you will understand what is this AND operation, OR operation and NOT operation. The next operators are identity operators. They are is not. Consider two variables a and b. Let's declare a with value 2, b with value 5. Now you compare a is b. Now you execute a is b. The statement will return false because a and b are not referring to the same value which is stored in the same memory. If you assign b with a, now b is referring to a. If you execute the same statement a is b, now you will get a value true, which means a and b are referencing to same value in the same memory allocation of the CPU. The next operators are membership operators. They are in, not in. Consider two strings AB, ABCD. Execute the statement A in B. Now AB exists in ABCDE, so the statement will return true. If you execute B not in A, ABCDE is not in AB, so the value returned by the CPU is true. The next operators are bitwise operators. They are and, or, exclusive, or, negation, left shift, right shift. The next operators are assignment operators. They are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to. A plus equal to B is same as A equal to A plus B. A's asterisk equal to B is equals to A equal to A into B. Now you got the point, right? In the same way, all the bitwise operators and arithmetic operators can be used as shorthand operators. These are called shorthand operators. That's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post an awesome new video. Thank you.